Keeping property owners informed and engaged helps maintain a transparent relationship and frees up time for your team. Let's learn how to manage Guesty's Owners Portal settings, a dedicated, customizable platform for property owners. To start, log in to your Guesty account, select Operations Mode, then Owners, and click Portal Settings. First, set up your Owners Portal's unique URL. Add a prefix, such as your company's name, to Guesty's default URL, ending with guestyowners.com. Additionally, you have the option of adding your own custom URL to match your company branding. Remember, without a URL, the portal can't be created or sent to owners. Next, configure the default portal settings to define what owners will see. Under Performance Settings, select the data you want to share. Then, continue with choosing the calendar and reservation settings you'd like to display in the My Properties calendar and the reservation report page. As you adjust these settings, refer to the mobile screen on the right to see where in the portal owners will find this information. Please note that the mobile screen is a static example and does not dynamically reflect your selections. Under Owner Reservations, enable the owner to make reservations if you want to allow owners to make personal stays. You can also allow the owner to change check-in and check-out times to let them set arrival and departure times. Enable the Owner Reservation Report to allow owners to view guest reservations and download reports as a CSV file. You can also give owners access to the Owners Portal Help Center. The articles they see will be based on the features you've enabled for them. Once you're done, click Save and choose whether these settings will be applied to new owners or to all current and future owners. To customize settings for individual owners, return to the Owners list. Select an owner and click Portal Settings. Switch on Enable Portal Access and customize their settings as needed. Once complete, click Apply Changes. If you want to reset to default settings, click Reset. Preview the Owner's Portal by clicking Preview Portal on the left. Share the portal by copying the link or inviting the owner to sign in. After they sign in for the first time, their status will update in their profile. And that's it. You've successfully managed your owner's portal settings, ensuring each owner has the information and tools they need to stay informed about their property. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.